Alright, today we're going to write a Java program which will check if two strings are anagram or not. Now, what is anagrams? Two strings can be called anagrams if they have the same number of characters with the same frequency. For example, the silent and the listen, they got the same number of characters, right? So we can call them anagram. Now we got two strings here, string 1 and string 2. So what we're going to do here, we will first convert both of them into the char array. So it will be st1.2 char array, right, as an equal local variable. So I'll just call it like char array 1. And similarly we will have a char array 2 for string 2. Now if we sort both of them actually, so it's going to have the same number of characters in the same sequence. So I'm going to use the sort method from the arrays class and sort both of them. So it would be char array 1 and char array 2. Now at this moment you've got all the characters in the sorted order. Now if you're going to compare these two arrays, and if they are equal, it means they are anagram, otherwise they are not. So it would be if we can use the equals method from the arrays class again and compare two arrays, which will be char array 1 and char array 2. Right. If this condition is true, it means they are anagram. So I'll say string 1 are anagram. Else they are not. Right. Now, okay, so we got a program here. Let's run it and see the output. Here we go. So they're anagram. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.